In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quote customers in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, sending accurate quotes is essential and QuickBooks makes the process simple. Let's get started. Begin by opening QuickBooks and clicking on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Login page. From the list of options, select QuickBooks Online to ensure you're accessing the correct platform. Then enter your username and password and click Continue to log in. Once you're logged in, look at the top left corner of your dashboard and click on the Create button. This is where you create all kinds of transactions in QuickBooks, including quotes. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Estimate in QuickBooks and Estimate functions as a quote, giving customers an idea of what your products or services will cost. With the estimate form open, start by entering the customer details. Type in the customer's name and email address. If it's a new customer, you can create a new profile, but if they're already in your system, just select their name from the list. Make sure the email is correct because this is where the quote will be sent. Next, set the estimate date and the expiration date. The estimate date is usually today's date, and the expiration date defines how long the quote remains valid. Adding an expiration helps set expectations and encourages the customer to respond within a certain time frame. Now, it's time to add the products or services you're quoting. Enter the description, quantity, rate, and amount. Make sure everything here is accurate to avoid confusion later. If needed, you can attach files such as product images, contracts, or additional documents that support your quote. Once you've entered all the details, click Save and Send. This saves the estimate in your records and prepares it to be emailed to your customer. Before sending, you'll see a preview email. Here, you can add a clear subject line and message body explaining that this is a quote and summarizing what's included. After reviewing everything one last time, click Send. Your customer will receive the quote instantly. Remember, estimates are non-posting transactions, meaning they do not affect your financials until you convert them into an invoice. This keeps your books clean while you wait for customer approval. And that's it. You've successfully created and sent a quote in QuickBooks Online. Happy bookkeeping.